Hi guys, Dr. Miriam here, family nurse practitioner at Innate Healthcare Institute. We are going to talk today about the gut microbiome. And why do we care? We care because it is so important. A lot of people term it the second brain. Some will go so far as to say it's our first brain. So I'm going to go into a couple part series and explain a little bit more about why we care and what you need to know. So the gut microbiome consists of thousands of bacteria, viruses, microorganisms, very diverse, very complex, and they're really important in the either direct or indirect functioning of our hormones, our neurotransmitters, different metabolic processes. They all occur in our gut. And so then when there's imbalances, you can get inflammation, not only in the gut, but throughout the whole body. You can get what we call leaky gut. If you've ever heard that term, it's pretty much a catchphrase right now, which means a separation in the lining of the intestinal wall. And now you're getting not only bacteria and potential things like cytokines, which are very inflammatory, that come across. You can get food particles. So then you start developing metabolic issues, start developing allergies, asthma. So it's really, really important that we understand how the microbiome affects us. And then when you look at things like anxiety, depression, the gut is super related. Because our neurotransmitters are formed in the gut and they go back up to the brain, you can see how if this is off, if we're having issues, if there's either overgrowth, undergrowth, it's going to affect. And when it comes to autism specifically, ASU recently did a double-blind controlled study that showed that kiddos with autism, individuals with autism, had reduced bacterial diversity. And when they did a what they call bacterial transplant, so they get rid of the ones that are problematic or pathogenic, and they replace them with ones that are beneficial, they saw positive outcomes in the individuals. And so that's why we care. That's why we do testing. So our testing we can discuss in the next video, but for now, just understand the reason why we do testing is just because this is so important.